This video I will show you how to replace a fuel pump on Honda Pilot 2008. You remove the seat and you open this up over here and cut this out like that. It's like pre-cut. Yes, and you unscrew this and then
First
you remove that plastic over there.
Yep.
And there's those connectors. Then we used a bronze hammer because so you don't make a spark and you just knock on that thing
to unscrew
this all the way around. Then we use this clips remover to lift it up.
Here's the pump.
And that's the pump,
which is working with the gas right now. We'll let the gas out. First we're doing the full seal on.
That's a brand new pump. We got it on eBay for around $50. Then we're gonna install this over here.
Now we insert it right in the center, and then click, and then click. One more click. Got it here. One more click. That's it. Now it's gonna be nice.
Okay, now we're ready to insert it.
Yeah. Now put the second seal. So
This actually came with the new pump
and the seal.
and the new seal too. So we put it in and now just
And the Lord bless. Get it ready.
should be facing this way like that.
Like it was before.
Then you simply press it in.
Make sure the seal.
Yeah, make sure the seal aligns pretty good.
Now, what is our thing? This is the thing. Then
Put that
teeny back in there,
clip.
just like so. Make sure it's all clean. Insert it back. When we do it, and it won't go. We do it again. Finally, it's there. Now, whoops, that was stupid.
Amazing.
No,
Oh, we gotta remove it to
put the old
this
ring first. Yeah.
ring.
Oops, won't go right.
Okay, now tie the ring. Same hammer. You can use a rubber hammer too.
That does not cause a spark. Make sure that nothing causes a spark. If something causes a spark, the angels will see. They'll show them.
Make sure it's not loose.
Tighten up. Everything's tight. Check again.
That should be good.
It's tightened up.
Now we put the cover back on and put the screws,
I'm kind of
in
afraid to
there.
use
the drill.
electric drill here. Can you bring a...
Okay, and that's it. You put everything back in and you're ready to go. So
Remember,
like the video if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel.